It's a cold morning, but the sun is shining, and it's Chef Des coming at you from my backyard. Look what I picked up yesterday. It's the new flexible grill light from Big Green Egg. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install it on your egg. It's a pretty cool thing. I'm looking forward to getting it open. Okay, we got her open. Pretty cool. I mean, I know it's daylight right now, but it's pretty bright. So I'm pretty impressed with the quality of it. It looks real cool. It's all flexible. You can bend any way you want. The other cool thing about it is it comes with this mounting bar. So what you're supposed to do, a couple different things. If you get up close here and you look, see these rubber tabs? If you cut off the end of it here, and it says it in the instructions that by cutting that little bit off, you can now take it and snug it in between your slats of your wood insert for your modular on your acacia table. But I'm not doing that. I'm going to install it on my band. And this is the part you would do if you were installing it where you had a modular nest or just a regular nest. And what we're going to do, and I loosened up this nut already, so that nut will already be there on your egg on the band system. You just take that off. I'm just trying not to drop it. And then you put on the mount. And this way you don't have to take off any bands or anything. Again, that nut should be there already. And then we're just gonna get that on there, and I'll tighten it up with a wrench. All right, like so. And now we have a perfect spot to mount our light. Let me open up my egg. Perfect. And again, I know it's daylight outside. It's going to come in useful for my cook tonight, so it's really nice and bright. You don't even have to have it magnetic. It'll stand by itself. You want to just do it on your modular table like that, it'll do the same thing. So whether you have a Big Green Egg in a nest, in a modular, in a table, wherever you want, and even a custom fit one, because again, that mounting bar goes on your existing bands. It's a pretty cool thing. I'm pretty happy with it. Great price, great product. As always, egg on, brother.